Imagine possessing a secret formula that could toss you into a world of endless wealth and financial freedom. A formula so potent, it has the power to transform your financial destiny. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that is for us. But for some, this is a reality. In today's video, we're talking about the formula that the wealthy have been using to multiply their riches, but have kept under wraps for far too long. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next videos. Picture an elephant in your mind. Now, imagine that this elephant represents the entire wealth of the world. The question is, how is this wealth elephant divided among the people of the world? Well, here's the shocking truth. The richest 1% of the world's population owns more than half of this elephant. That's right, more than half. The rest of the elephant is divided among the remaining 99% of us. This, my friends, is what we call the wealth gap. But why does this gap exist? Like, why is it that the rich keep getting richer while the rest of us struggle to make ends meet? The answer lies in a secret formula, a formula that the rich use to multiply their wealth, but rarely talk about. Well, that's unfair. Why should the rich have all the fun? Yes, you're right. It is unfair. But let us give you the good news here. This secret formula isn't exclusive to the rich. Anyone can use it. Yes, even you. Understanding the secret formula can help bridge the wealth gap. It can help you climb up the wealth ladder and join the ranks of the rich. Now, before we reveal the secret formula, let's clear one thing. This isn't some hocus pocus or a magic trick. It's a practical, tried, and tested approach that has worked for many. All right, the secret formula consists of three main components: smart investments, passive income, and financial literacy. Smart investments are where the game begins. It's like putting your money in ventures that promise good returns. It could be stocks, mutual funds, crypto, real estate, or even a startup. The key here is to diversify your investments. Passive income is the golden goose of the secret formula. You know, it's the money you earn without actively working for it. It could be rent from a property, dividends from stocks, or royalties from a book. The main idea is to create multiple streams of income that keep the cash flowing even when you're sleeping. And who doesn't want that? Financial literacy is the foundation of the secret formula. It's about understanding how money works, knowing how to save, invest, and grow your wealth. You know, being aware of financial trends and opportunities. Without financial literacy, the secret formula is incomplete. Now, the interesting part is that there are some lesser-known components of the secret formula that many are unaware of. Like networking and personal branding, building a strong network and a personal brand can significantly boost your wealth in so many ways. Your network can open doors to new opportunities, while your personal brand can increase your value in the market. Suppose you're a real estate investor. You've made some smart investments and have a steady stream of passive income. But wait, you're still hungry and not stopping there. So, you're constantly learning about the real estate market, financial literacy. You're networking with other investors and real estate experts. You're building a personal brand as a savvy investor. And this not only opens up whole new investment opportunities, but also attracts deals and partnerships. Now, the formula is no more secret. But why the rich don't talk about their wealth-building strategies? Why do they keep their secret formula to themselves? Is there something we can learn? Turns out there are several reasons for this, and they're kind of simple. First of all, they want to maintain their competitive advantage. The world of wealth accumulation is highly competitive nowadays, you would agree. The rich are always looking for ways to increase their wealth, and they don't want to give away their strategies to potential competitors. It's just like a game of chess. You don't reveal your next move to your opponent. There's another reason for preserving the status quo. The rich have a vested interest in maintaining the current economic system. They benefit from the wealth gap, and they don't want to disrupt the balance. As the saying goes, why fix something that isn't broken? For the third reason, we think it's about protecting their reputation. Talking about money is often seen as taboo, especially among the rich. They don't want to be seen as bragging about their wealth or giving unsolicited financial advice. Interestingly, some wealthy individuals keep their wealth-building strategies a secret because they believe in the law of scarcity. They believe that wealth is a limited resource, and if they share their secret formula, there will be less wealth for them. However, as the famous quote by Zig Ziglar goes, "You can have everything in life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. The truth is, wealth is not a zero-sum game. There's enough for everyone. And that's why we're here, sharing the secret formula with you. Before we talk about how you can apply this formula in your life, let us share a story with you. Once upon a time, there was a man named John. John was an average guy with an average job. He earned a decent salary, but he was always living paycheck to paycheck. He dreamed of becoming wealthy, but he didn't know how to make it happen. One day, John stumbled upon the secret formula. He learned about smart investments, passive income, financial literacy, networking, and personal branding. He was really intrigued. And so he decided to apply the formula in his life. John started by educating himself about finance. He read books, attended seminars, and followed financial experts online. He learned about different investment options and how to manage his money wisely. Next, John started investing. We know he wasn't rich, so he started small, investing a small portion of his salary in stocks. Over time, he diversified his investments, putting his money in real estate, mutual funds, and a startup. John also started building passive income streams. He rented out a spare room in his house. He wrote a book and earned royalties from it. He even started a blog and earned money from ads and sponsorships. Yet, John didn't stop there. He understood the importance of networking and personal branding. He attended networking events and connected with other investors. He also worked on building his personal brand as a savvy investor. Over time, John saw the results of his efforts. His wealth started to grow. He was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. He was earning money even when he was sleeping. He was becoming wealthy. John's story shows that anyone, regardless of their background or financial situation, can become wealthy if they apply the formula consistently and patiently. If you're a total beginner and looking to apply this secret formula into your life, start with the basics of finance. A great way to do this is by reading a beginner-friendly book about money. A good choice could be Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It's simple, engaging, and full of practical advice. You can find it in a local bookstore, library, or online. Once you've learned the basics of finance, it's time to start investing. A simple way to start is by opening a savings account that earns interest. You can do this at a local bank or online. Deposit a small amount of money each month. Watch as your money grows over time due to the power of compound interest. Just like John, you also need to create passive income. A fun way to earn passive income is by starting a lemonade stand. It's also simple, low cost, and it can teach you valuable lessons about business and money. All you need is some lemons, sugar, water, and a stand. Literally. Sell your lemonade in your neighborhood and earn money while having fun. Make sure you do networking. A great way to network is by joining a club or a group that interests you. It could be a sports team, a music band, or a book club. Make friends, learn from others, and have fun. And please, in today's social media addicted world, don't forget to build your personal brand. Show the world what you're good at. Are you good at painting? Do you love playing the guitar? Whatever it is, just show it off. You can do this by participating in school talent shows, community events, or even by posting videos online. There will be haters, but keep your mindset right. It's not about being the best, it's about being yourself and doing what you love. Well, that's it for today. We've learned about the growing wealth gap and how understanding this formula can help bridge that gap. We've then talked about the components of the secret formula, including smart investments, passive income, financial literacy, networking, and personal branding. We've discussed why the rich keep this formula a secret and how you can apply it in your life. If you enjoyed the info in this video, we'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you learned today that you're excited to apply in your life? Do you have any personal experiences or tips you'd like to share? Drop your comments below. And if there's any topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know that too. Before you go, don't forget to check out our video on Master these 7 skills to future-proof your financial success. Endless money. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.